Hey guys, it's Old Beauty Cars. Well, I finally got myself a lathe. Imagine that, eh? Wow, it's been years I've been wanting a lathe for the hobby room down here. Actually, I got two of them. I got a big one, which is out of the shop. I'll have to do a review on that one. And there's a little one. So it's made by Grizzly. It's a Chinese thing, made in China. And here's a little part number. It's a little small little lathe. So anyways, I'm going to do the unboxing of it. So maybe some of you guys maybe want to see that. Tool stuff, man stuff, or woman stuff. Whatever. Yeah, she's well packaged. Is up for something? Okay, I think I might have to see how this goes. There's a nice detailed manual. So oh man, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut the box open to get this thing out. Kind of awkward. Something fell. It's time to buy a puppy now. Blade anyway. Almost knocked the camera over. Yeah, it comes well packaged. Well packaged. You want this thing falling on your foot. Break your toes. Well, there she is. She's a tiny thing. Get a little bit closer, maybe you can see a little bit better, right? Well, turn my camera down. There you go. See that, eh? Anyways, one day I was on YouTube and I was looking for ideas on mini lathes and even to make one. And I came across this guy who actually had one of these. And I thought, well, that's the slickest thing in the world. Handy. Handy. Got some protective oil, corrosion stuff on here. That's why I'm wearing gloves. I'll have to do some reading on it to get it figure everything out. So there she is. A little mini lathe. to bring my camera down again some more. It is all live. Yeah, there you go. Anyways, yeah. We actually had a major incident this summer. I was working on some resin tires and using the Fosner bit on the drill and boring out the resin rims. And I was actually holding the damn resin tire in my hand, like some people we know on YouTube do that. And anyways, I was holding the thing in my hand, and the bit caught my hand and it tore a big chunk of skin off my hand. I didn't go for stitches, but it did enough imprint on me to think about find a different method. Anyways, I thought about getting a drill press, but then I thought, well, you know, a drill press, you're kind of limited to what you can do, and sometimes it's kind of a pain in the ass to work with. So, like I said, I started looking at stuff on YouTube and yeah, just products that people were buying, kind of thing. And I came across this one guy, I forget his name, but he has one of these little lathes, and he loves it. So, and I thought, well, this is the perfect little machine for us guys who like to build stuff. So, because I have to read the manual and read the manual and get everything working properly on it, break it in properly. But it doesn't weigh very much. It's only, I think it only weighs like 25 pounds, maybe 30 pounds at most. Enough to break your toes if it falls on your feet. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Everything moves on it. It has a good, decent little size chuck on it, which is reversible. I kind of thought it was actually a little bigger, but whatever. The jaw is reverse on it, so you can. Anybody who knows anything about lathes knows that the chucks can be reversed. I'm not touching this thing too much because it's all oily, and I don't want to be getting oil on my nails and stuff. I have to whip it all down. So, yeah. But yeah, the chuck can be adjusted differently and that kind of thing. You change the chucks around and you put different sizes in here. So yeah, it's you know, it is what it is. It's a small little thing, and I don't mind compact stuff sometimes. I just don't like compact cars. But anyways, that's it doesn't matter too much. If you guys are interested, go look on the website. It's called grizzly.com, and they have all sorts of stuff in there. All sorts of machining stuff. I definitely suggest you guys, anybody who's interested in machining, go check it out. I'll have to do another video of the turning it on and spinning and actually machining something on here for you guys to see. It's belt driven. I don't know exactly what it says here, the size of the motor. It's 0.2 horsepower motor, so I don't know what the hell that is, what that equivalents to. But yeah. So I mean, it you know, it's gonna do the purpose. It's gonna work for me fine. Like I said, I have to go through it all first, and I'm pretty excited and stoked all about it. So it's kind of cool. I think something I'm gonna do is I might try to find a later date. Oh, this is kind of loose. Figure that out. Something at later dates. I'm gonna change this change this piece up here, because you know, if you're on a bigger lathe, you have the feed, you have another feed. It's on the top here, which you can move it like this, go across, and also move on an angle. But yeah, this anyways, it'll do the job and work fine for now. So she moves like that in and out, so you know, I'll have to go through it all. And it comes with the tools and a few bits, I think, in there. I'll have to check it all out, read the instructions first really well. And some other stuff I got with it too. I got a drill chuck as well. Because it actually suggested it on the site to get a drill chuck, so I got one with it. But I may have to get a bigger one. Oh, this one. No, it's all good. But it threads on. And there's actually a sender in here that actually slides in there. Centering pin. So it's going to have a lot of uses. I think it's only 3/8 bit for its chuck. But I think what I'm going to do is, I've seen this on YouTube already. And, I'm going to get another chuck. And I'm going to rig it up so I can use a 3/8 chuck. There's only no, half-inch chuck. Sorry, this is a 3/8 chuck right now. So I want to get one that I can use a half-inch chuck on there. But I mean, that's you know, it's all stuff that I can do, right? And you know, it's handy. So yeah, like I said, you guys are doing any kind of resin work on making wheels and stuff like that, especially Mr. Roth, this would be something good for you to get too. You're the machinist. So anyway, I got this here too, 11-piece bit set. Yeah. So yeah, there's all sorts of different things that a guy can do, and all those different bits in there. I'll just open the box up. So, yeah, there's all sorts of goodies in here. Lots of things to do. Gotta stop saying Yeah, so this is a good little kit here. It has all sorts of bits I would need to use. I basically bought it for the angled bits you see right here. There's a couple angled ones here, and I bought those because this doesn't swivel. I think it does, right? But if you're boring, like doing an inside bore on something, right, it's nice to have a little bit of angle on there, so you can do some boring on there if you need to, and that would come in handy for that. And that's why I got this. This is actually a $20 edition, but it's worth it. With every penny. So actually, I kind of screwed up when I bought it, and I thought it actually was coming from Canada, but I should have noticed that they said ships to Canada. It's a company out of Bellingham, Washington. So it actually ended up costing me a little bit because the dollar is a bit expensive right now. So yeah. So anyways, what are the, you know, it's just a good old lathe. The price is right, and I basically couldn't buy this here. Well, I could have, but you know, just it's compact and it's convenient, and it can be used anywhere, so it's kind of cool. So yeah, I don't think I'll be doing any major machining. Just mostly with plastic, styrene, you know. So yeah. Anyways, that's my little review for the lathe I got. I'm gonna do some, read the manual. In there. Do some reading, check it out, get all set up to work properly. And I also have another video of something else I bought, and I will do another review on that one here in a few seconds. So if anyone has any questions on this lathe, or you want to check out the company, just go to grizzly.com. I'm not, you know, whatever. I don't want to get into that. Anyways, yeah, this is a good little lathe. So, anyways, you guys, thanks for watching my videos, and stay tuned for some more good stuff coming up. So, yeah, bye for now. Take it easy.